guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a redecorate my living room with me. I was getting tired of the color scheme that we had going on, so I went and ordered a bunch of stuff to redo the living room, and everything I purchased is from Overstock.com. I'll go ahead and try to link everything down below for you guys. So if you'd like to see how everything turned out, then please keep on watching. So as my husband pulled apart the couches, of course, there was dirt under the couches and a bunch of toys. So we took advantage and just did a really deep clean of the living room as well. And then I also ended up wiping down the couches. They are leather, so they are very hard to maintain, especially because of the color. So me and my husband went ahead and then gave them a quick clean before we put everything together. So here I'm telling my husband that I think we should paint the table white. So look out for a DIY on that. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go ahead and chalk paint this little table. I just feel like it'll look better with white. And here is the finished look. I am obsessed with how it turned out. Everything just came together so perfectly and I am in love with it. I hope you guys like it too. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please let me know what you guys think below. I'll catch you guys on the next video and have a great day.